All right, so in this video, we're going to extend our knowledge a little bit further, and we're going to look at songs and how we can stop, pause, resume, and keep them repeating. So first thing that you want to keep in mind is we can keep a song repeating by using the media player's attribute or characteristic called isRepeating. So you need to actually type this into update because the media player is working in update, and that's where it will be created. So here you can do media player.isRepeating, and this is accessing the isRepeating characteristic of the media player, and you can set that equal to true. So here what this is doing is it's taking the media player variable value basically, or the characteristic that it has, and it's setting isRepeating equal to true. So you could set this equal to false and then a song would never repeat, but now if you were to play a song, this would actually repeat the song all the way through. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of different things. We're going to experiment with play versus pause versus stop versus resume. So those are other ones students like to use. So we'll do if pad1 dot buttons, let's do dot A. If that button state is equal to press. So if the A button is being pressed, what we're going to do is we're going to pause the media player. So there's a built-in function of the media player called pause. And what it will do is it will pause your song right where it's at. So this says we're going to access the media player and we're going to pause whatever song is playing. And remember, this is built into the media class that we are using. So here, change that to press, but now if you pause that song, it should pause whatever song is playing. Then we're going to use this code and repeat it, but we're going to do it for a different button. So we're going to do it for X, and when X is pressed, what we're going to program it to do is resume playing. And again, you don't need parameters, it's just going to resume whatever was previously playing. So we're going to resume whatever song was playing. And again, this is built in. So now if I press start, if I press start, the song will start. There it goes. And now if I press A, the song pauses. And if I press X, it repeats right where it left off. You can hear that, which is kind of nice. So then the last thing we're going to look at is how do we get something to stop? And it's almost the exact same code. And we're just going to use the Y button to do that. So here, we're going to do stop, and this is going to stop whatever song was playing. So here, stop is different than pause because pause will stop it in a specific spot and it can pick up later and resume, and stop stops it completely where it can't be resumed again. So here, if I press start, I press stop, the song stops, but then I can't resume anything. The song is completely cut off. Remember the difference is if I press pause, it'll pause it, resume it, pause it, resume it. I can pause it, I can resume it again, and I can stop it, and then I can't do anything else until I press play again. So just a little bit of extra information about the media player that's built in there so you can use that as you create your own games.